Let's take a look at replacing the PCV valve on this Pontiac Grand Prix with a 3100 engine. Now this is pretty straightforward. This PCV valve is inserted right here in the front valve cover. Very straightforward and easy to get at. So we're going to remove it up out of the valve cover here. We'll give it a little bit of twist. Maybe you have to pull on it a little bit to pop it out of the plastic line here. But we will insert our new one, plug it back in place, and just like that, it's really that straightforward. Now the PCV valve stands for Positive Crankcase Ventilation. And as the engine's running, we're building up some oil fumes and a little bit of pressure inside the crankcase or the internal components of the engine. So rather than the old days that used to just let it go into the atmosphere, now you can see it's regulated by the PCV valve and connected to engine vacuum here in the intake manifold. And so this is going to draw those vapors and fumes back into the engine and consume them. So again, this is an emissions component here. Hopefully now you understand what it takes to replace the PCV valve on this 3100 engine.